Toolnuts. We're the Toolnuts. Toolnuts. We're the Toolnuts.
Hi, this is C.H. Benson, and today I'm going to show you my Powermatic Jointer and Planer, two critical pieces of equipment that I use to square up my lumber that I use in my cabinet business. My first face and my first edge, and I'm ready to go to the Powermatic Planer.
Why do you use two machines?
So basically, our lumber, once it's dried, it's not flat, it's not straight. The joiner is going to give me a flat face on the first face, which I can then feed into the planer and get the top face square and planed. If I don't use the joiner and I just use the planer, if that board was crooked, it would remain crooked and not straight.
So where do you get your lumber?
All the lumber that you see in my shop was basically destined for the landfills. It's urban lumber, cut down on the streets of town. I get it. I have it sawn at a sawmill nearby, and then I have it kiln dried to 6 to 8% humidity, and then I bring it here to my shop and I square it up, and I use it in many of the projects that I build for people, and I also sell it to fellow woodworkers. This is a piece of hickory that I got from a nature center. It had stump rot and they took it down. And it was a funny story. It actually was on the edge of the Des Plaines River, and in the spring we got some heavy rains and the river flooded, and this log was underwater for 3 weeks.
Where did you buy these machines?
These were purchased at Berlin's House of Tools.
Toolnuts. We're the Toolnuts. Toolnuts. We're the Toolnuts.